Yeah. I spent the last 2 months of my life feeling sorry about myself, but on the real, you know you got that life if you got friends in good health. Doctors say I got a heart condition, now fuck that, I got too much heart. When I heard that shit, I swear I saw my whole world fall apart. I lost my mind around the time me and my ex split. Truth is I was selfish, and I hate the way it panned out, but I deserved it. Gotta lose yourself to find yourself, get better, not bitter. Sure I get pussy, but you know that one good one is worth the whole litter. Yeah, not afraid to admit that I've been scared of shit, but will I ever blow up or just fade right into the darkness? Feeling hopeless as fuck, praying it's never the latter. But you know certainty's never with the profession of a rapper. They can love you now, shit they'll probably hate you tomorrow. That's why you'll never find another rapper that's working harder. Been in New York for 2 months and I barely sleep in my bed. They say that sleep's a cousin of death, so fuck it, I'ma sleep when I'm dead. I said that I